How do you kind of figure out what projects are the most meaningful with the AI?
I mean, the test I use is this, if by creating a feature with this, is it going to be helpful? I think about it 4 dimensions. Is it going to help people improve their knowledge, success, health, or happiness?
Okay.
If it fits one of those 4 attributes, I think it's good to do.
This is a lovely video that was put together, an interview with Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google. And he's talking about what is Google seeing down the road. And he talks a lot about AI and the role of AI in Google and what it's really done in being able to look at changes that are going on, predicting flood areas, changes in our environment so that people can act proactively to those changes and really save lives in the process. And so the question comes, what does all of this mean, right? We have such a discussion back and forth about what will be the role of AI in the future. And certainly we've seen incredible benefits, haven't we? Glasses that can translate as the person is talking. When that comes, that's one of the things that Google is working on.
Straight into your eyes, and it seems like you're looking right at me.
Many, many other things. So I think one of the things that he talks about is he makes choices. Things are brought to him to be considered for investment or for development. He thinks through 4 things in his mind. One is, does it help people by increasing knowledge? Isn't that interesting? We want to expand our knowledge, don't we? 2, does it increase success? Will people be more successful because of it? 3, does it improve health? And 4, does it increase happiness? So I think as we look at some of these things that are coming, there's some things that are also really important to ask ourselves in addition, and that is, does it integrate business, the interests of stakeholders, all stakeholders, not just investors. It's the community, it's the customer, it's the employee, it's the environment, it's all of that together. Secondly, is there a higher purpose or caring culture that is produced as a result of this? 3, is there an attempt to reconcile caring with politics? I think more and more in the future, this is going to be a critical issue because we're going to have tensions increasingly arise between what we can do, our politicians, and what people want, or what communities are experiencing. So the question is, how will we balance that? And then last, how will business recognize that it's part of a society and it must respond to all of its social constituencies? A lot to think about, isn't there? And so look at this video and contemplate what is important. Where do we want our technology to take us? What is it going to mean for our lives? We have an opportunity to shape it. We must, don't you think?